This video tutorial shows you how to use the MODBUS protocol with NORVI devices. Here we use NORVI GSM AE08IL device as a MODBUS master and NORVI 8001 BM2 as a MODBUS slave. Here you can see the master device requested 3 analog input values and 3 discrete input values. So the slave responded with the coil values and the holding register values. First, we need to do the wiring. For that, we need to connect the NORVI devices RS485A and B pins. Both NORVI devices must be connected to the computer. 24 DC voltage should be supplied to the both NORVI devices. Then we must upload the master program to the NORVI GSM AE08IL device and the slave program to the NORVI 8001 BM2 device. Let's look at the programs. You can see here we define the RS485, RX, and flow control pin in both programs. Here we set the slave ID as 1. The request has 3 holding register values and 3 discrete coil values. Let's upload the program. Select the correct board and COM port and click Upload. Let's look at the serial windows of the devices. Here you can see the master values are changed according to the slave values. Let's change the slave values and see. First, set the coil values. Here you can see the digital input values are changing. Then set the register values. Here you can see that the analog input values are changing. For more information, you can refer our guideline documents.